Hi, I'm Advait Sehdev, and this is the Marketing Tales podcast, where in every episode I share a true story behind the scenes of an actual campaign where marketing hacks led to exponential growth. Hello, today I want to share a case study about a doctor, and this is a very special case study, a case study very close to my heart because I really wanted to solve this problem. I really wanted to give it the best. I really wanted to make sure that he gets the best in terms of results, in terms of growth, and so on. But before I go into that, let me explain you the problem. Now, this particular doctor had a lot of experience, not just his own experience but also his family background. Lot of people knew about them. Lot of people knew about the good work that they had done in the past few years. But they were quite small. They were not like some of the very well known doctors. They were still very conservative in terms of being open in public. They were doing good work, like he and his family, they were doing good work. It was primarily him now, but he was very conservative. He didn't want to go out in public. He didn't have a social media profile which was engaging enough. He didn't have a good website. He didn't have anything, and because of that he was losing out a lot to the corporate world. The corporate world, where there are professionals who are running clinics, professionals who are running doctors, and these are not doctors who are running hospitals or clinics. These are professionals. So his main concern was that he was losing out to all these guys, and his practice was shrinking. The number of patients were decreasing, and he really wanted to solve that. So that's when I had a discussion with him, and I said, okay, let's try to figure out what is it that we can do. So we sat, we brainstormed, we discussed a lot of things. I understood everything about what he offers, what are his treatments, what are his specialities, why do patients come to him, what are the top three things for which patients come to him. Now that is very important to understand, because we need to focus on the most important things. If we focus on everything, all the 100%, then we never reach anywhere. We apply something called Pareto principle over here, which is the 80-20 rule, which means that 20% of your effort delivers 80% of the results. And by which I mean that, okay, 20% of the services or the treatments that you offer will attract 80% of the patients. Now what are those? So we focused on that. Then we identified what was his specialty, what were the things that people really came to him for. We worked on identifying the creating the customer profile for him. We said, okay, let's define the customer profile. What is the income range? Right, where do they come from? Do they come from, like, 5 kilometers, or do they come from various cities? Again, the key idea was to apply the Pareto principle, because for every doctor, patients come from everywhere, right? You would always have one example where one patient came from another city, or another patient came from very far town, and those are good things to have, but that is not the majority. That is not 80%. So this 80% rule is extremely important, and that's what we applied. The next thing that we did was we applied the 80% rule to the 80-20 rule, rather, or the Pareto rule, to understanding, okay, what is his fee structure? Usually what does he charge? Right, of course it varies. If people cannot afford, he offers it for free. Also, if people are from the HNI community or ultra HNI community, then the rates are much different. But what is that 80%? What is that sweet spot? So we identified his pricing, we identified the customer profile, we identified, then we worked on the competition. Then we said, okay, let's identify the competition, and let's again apply the same rule. Now, in your locality, or within the radius of say 10 kilometers, I asked him, who are the main competitors? And the main competitors, as in the consideration set of the patient, when the patient is thinking of taking the particular top three treatments that you offer, what are the names that he thinks about? And I just want the top three or top four. So we created a list, we did a competitive research, we understood what they were doing, what they were offering, and so on and so forth. And then we did a lot of other things in terms of understanding, how the service can be made better, how the experience can be made better. Because today it's not just about giving a medicine; it is also about that entire experience that the doctor offers. Right from the moment some a patient calls you or your receptionist or anyone else, till the moment they walk in, till the moment they have a seat, till the moment they see what's in the reception area, till the moment they talk to the receptionist, till the moment they talk to you, they get the treatment done by you, your colleagues, your team, the billing, anything and everything, the consultation, everything is an experience today. It has to be delivered as an experience. So we did the best of the research over there, and we again found out from the competition, from everywhere else, from all the large clinics and large hospitals, that what were these experiences that were given. And the same rule we applied over there. We applied the 80-20 rule, and we said, okay, out of all these 100 experiences that are being delivered by various clinics and hospitals, which are the 20 which are most important, and we need to only work on those, we need to only deliver those. Because if we are able to do those, then we are anyway impacting 80%. We are delivering 80% of the results. If you go for 100%, we can do that, but that won't happen over time. That happens over a long period of time. So that's what we did. That is the concept that I wanted to share with you today. Because if you understand this, if you understand the 80-20 rule and how it can be applied to your practice, to how you can grow, it's not just about your practice, but today I'm talking about your practice, because this is a course which is very relevant to doctors, and I am trying to give maximum growth, maximum benefits, maximum information to doctors, because doctors have to grow, you have to grow. That is one of my most important missions of my life. So that's why I want you to understand this, and take it and see how you can apply it. If you have any questions, you can always email us. Thank you.